Good evening and welcome to our 19th October Aviation Media News Review. I'm Patrick, and in the news today we start with news from India. Aerotelegraph reports that the Indian government has just decided to take over 6 Airbus narrow-body aircraft from Air India and to convert them into airborne early warning systems, like they have it, for example, already in their fleet, utilizing Ilyushin 76 based aircraft and Embraer 145 based conversions. This will be Airbus 321 for sure, and as Aerotelegraph reports, it might also include A320 aircraft. From North America, we hear that Air Canada is heavily ramping up their services to South America out of Toronto. They are significantly increasing flights to Bogota, Sao Paulo, Santiago de Chile and Buenos Aires, and also they are resuming South American operations out of Montreal. Qantas reports that starting November 14th they will resume the so-called Kangaroo route from Australia to London. And as opposed to what has happened pre-pandemic, these flights will now be linked via Darwin and not anymore via Perth. So November 14th, flights start from Sydney via Darwin to London Heathrow and back. And later also there is a plan to start such operations eventually out of Melbourne. And then, last but not least, some news from Africa. CH Aviation, Aviation News Portal reports that the government has decided to merge Air Madagascar and its sister company Tsaradia, operating a domestic and local ATR fleet, are now planned to be merged into a new operator called Madagascar Airlines, obviously creating redundancies, but hopefully helping the country's air operation out of financial struggles. Fleet-wise, just a few details here. There's obviously a plan to lease one 787 Dreamliner aircraft for the twice-weekly route to Paris Charles de Gaulle out of Antananarivo, and one of the 2 A340 aircraft will fly to Guangzhou. That's the review for today. Have a good one. Bye bye.